Hello everybody, today's computing lesson is about the idea of, as you can see, digital citizenship. So to work out what that means, we're going to look at those words individually slightly. So digital is just anything that uses technology basically, so laptops, phones, computers, etc. Maybe slightly more complicated, the idea of being a citizen. It's basically someone who lives in or comes from a certain place. So you could consider yourself a citizen of Moscow, for example. You can see it almost has the word city, citizenship, city. So put those things together, it basically means that you're part of an online community, a digital community, or digital group of people. And so what we want to think about is if we are going to be part of a community like that, how we're going to be a good one. So, how do you be a good citizen, firstly? So, maybe you're doing something to help the community. So the example here is planting something. How do you speak to people in your community? So, are you polite? Are you following the rules? Do you look after the people around you? Do you look after the area around you? So, being a good citizen is about having a positive effect on the place which you belong to or the place that you live in. How is that different when we talk about digital citizens rather than regular citizens? So think about the other lessons we've done so far in the unit. Do they teach us anything about being respectful, about being responsible? If they do, then what is it? You know, things like private information, cyberbullying. Because sometimes people can be more likely to say something irresponsible or mean even online. Maybe it's because you don't feel so shy because they feel like they're comfortable because there's nobody actually physically next to them. So being a good digital citizen is something to think about, to consider when you're using different online platforms. Okay. So what I want you to do is think about things that you do online firstly, and you've got this worksheet to fill in, which I've attached. You have to write 3 online activities that you do here, and I want you to write some ideas, ideally more than one for each box, about how you can be a good citizen, a good digital citizen by doing that activity. So is it about the way you use language, the way you talk to people in this place? Is it about offering some kind of help or something like that? So depending on what you choose, try and come up with some ideas for how you can be a good person, a good citizen when you're doing that thing online. Now at the bottom it says, so who's done it. This should be for a friend to do in school. But you're going to be checking by yourself. So how will you know that you've managed to do your targets? Okay, so how will you know you've managed to do your targets? That's what you. So how will you be able to see that? If there's someone that you speak to regularly online from our class, then you can write their names here. If not, then you can just leave this section at the bottom. So all you really need to do for sure is these 6 boxes in the table. And other than that, it's okay. You don't need to do the bottom part unless you're regularly texting with someone in our class. Then I would leave this part probably.